Alright, space nerds, today I'm going to show you how to create some Lua scripts for space nerds in space so that you can create your own scenarios that you can run through. The first thing we're going to do is just kind of create a basic setup where you place planets and asteroids and put your ship where it needs to be to begin the mission. You could do this manually, or you can use the Daemon Screen to set things up how you like and then export a script that can be a starting point for your mission script. So that's what we're going to do. So press F9 to go to the Daemon Screen, and this is sort of just the default that you get if you just run the game. It has it basically just kind of has a system of placing things in a random kind of way that's deterministic, so it comes up like this. But we don't want this, we want to make our own thing. So you can type in this box here, you can type clear all, and that will get rid of everything other than the player ship, which is here. So let's say in our scenario we want to have some planets. So let's say we want a planet here, and you use the right mouse button to place the planets. And let's say we want a planet there and maybe a planet there, maybe so 3 planets. And let's say we want one starbase, and we're going to put that next to this planet here. So we'll put the starbase there. And let's say we want our player ship to so we right click, and then we can middle click to drag him and put him nearby the planet. Now this is a 2D view, so there's a 3D view. We'll check to see how things look. Okay. So we've got that. Now let's put some asteroids around. I'm just going to kind of put a bunch of asteroids around by right clicking, and I don't know if you can see it on the camera, there's little brown dots appearing where I'm placing the asteroids. I'm just going to kind of make a ring around the center. The sun will be in the middle. Take a look at the 3D view, and we can see there's our asteroids floating in space. Let's say we want to put a few ships. I'm not going to put too many, so I'm going to put maybe a few ships around. And let's say that's our starting point. So to export the script, I'm going to call it test script. You just type ENSCRIPT, nscript, and then the name of the script you want, test script.lua. test_script.lua, and then execute. And this will create a file which we can go look at. It will be in share SNIS Lua scripts, and there at the bottom you see test_script.lua. If we look at it, you can see it has all the stuff in here. Here's it's creating a planet, here it's creating starbase with this add planet, add planet, add planet. So it makes our 3 planets, it adds a starbase, and then it adds a lot of asteroids. It adds a few ships, and then here it is getting the player location, and it is setting the player location to where we wanted it. So that is our script. If I go back to the game and I say clear all, I can type correctly, and let's say I move my player ship somewhere else. Now if I execute this script that we just created, Lua test_script.lua, it puts everything just like we had it. So it's essentially saved the location of all these objects in this Lua script, and when you run the Lua script, it clears the board, and I think it clears the board. Does it clear the board? It actually does not clear the board, but we can fix that. So that's kind of the first step for creating a Lua script, is you have an initial kind of setup that you want to do, and this is the easiest way to do that part of it. For the next step, we will actually try to make something a little more interesting happen. So that's part one.